Okay. Good morning, everyone, especially boys and girls and parents who are here with me on this webinar. Thank you so much for your time. And my name is Jaisimha, squadron leader. Means a major in the Indian Army equal to that rank. So I was part of an Indian Air Force for quite some time. I took premature retirement. I got into this motivation field and I'm a memory trainer. So far, I have trained more than 3 lakh students, adults on memory, motivation in India and abroad. And I'm also the president of World Memory Sports Council for India. And I'm the only Indian with maximum Guinness World Records. And the reason for me to show that little video is to make you aware. Who is this guy who is taking this webinar? Is this 1 hour worth investing with him, or should I be doing something else? So just to know the credibility of the speaker, I've shown that little video, number one. Number two, this webinar is going to be in English. Reason being, we got people from pan India. This is not a Tollywood, Sandalwood, Collywood, or a Bollywood movie. This is a Hollywood movie. So when I do programs, I will have people not only from India but across the globe. So even now, there are some people from America, Hong Kong, and some people right now from Sydney. They are actually there in the webinar. So for everyone to understand, I'll be speaking in English. Hope you will be able to appreciate that. In case you want me to explain that in your mother tongue, talk to us after the webinar. In case you don't follow, I'll explain that. Next thing, see, the time is 11:15 now, and this webinar will get over in 1 hour. So 12:15, the webinar will get over. So make yourself physically, mentally free, right? Right? Mentally free. And one more thing that I want to tell you is after this webinar, there is going to be a memory workshop, the basic level 1 memory workshop that we are doing from 4th of June. 7 days, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 7 days, evening 7 p.m. to 9 p.m., 2 hours program. So there you'll be actually learning the memory secrets. This is a preview webinar. Like you go for a movie, before the interval, you see the trailer of a movie that's going to come next, right? So you get to see during the cricket match on the television, in between, changing over the changing of overs, you'll get to see one movie trailer. It is only a trailer, and that workshop is a paid workshop. It is not free. So if you think that I'm trying, you need to attend this workshop, no, means you can actually go away. There's no problem at all. It is my duty to tell you that this is only preview for the main workshop. And in this webinar, what is going to happen is I'll be showing a small memory demonstration. Then I will teach you one memory technique today. Third one, I'll explain you the syllabus of this level 1 workshop and what benefit will you get, or will your child get benefit in case you attend the 7 days workshop. Now that is the only purpose of this webinar, right? If you are game for it, you stay. Otherwise, you may choose to do something else. Very, very important thing. And the last thing, many of you are very busy typing the comments in the chat box. Let me tell you, Jesima is not one among those 1,000 people who do the webinars, right? And mine is very sought after webinar. So I have actually disabled your chat box. Other than me, no one else can see your remarks, number one. Number two, when I am doing the program, only at the end, only I'm going to read your comments. If I find them worth I should answer, then I will answer. Otherwise, due to my experience, and I know that this question will get answered in my course of talk itself. Okay, so do not waste your time, energy trying to type on your mobile or on the laptop. Okay, so take your hands off. Even if you type, only you are wasting your energy. So I want you to sit back, relax, and enjoy. If you think useful, join the workshop. Otherwise, take your own call. Is that okay? Done. Right now, what we'll do, let me just show you one small little PPT to you. Okay, right? Let me just show you one small PPT. Okay, 1 second. Just be online. Okay, see how we can use this memory for our benefit. Okay, many people say I have good memory, I got bad memory. Nothing that good or bad memory. We have two kinds of memory. One is trained memory, second is untrained memory. Imagine I will show you numbers like this. Okay, imagine I'm going to show you numbers 4 4 4 4 like this full on the screen. If I ask you to remember, difficult or easy, you say, sir, so easy because all numbers are only 4. But imagine I will change the numbers like this. Will it be easy? It will be difficult because as of today, most of you are untrained. And how? Through my trained memory, how I can remember, I'll show you a small demonstration. What I request you to do is, as I'm going to take this, PowerPoint, I want you to type one 2-digit number, okay? 2-digit number from 00 up to 9 10 one number: 45 36 11 00 05 89 94 71 63. One 2-digit number you type. My colleague Sunil will tell your name and he will tell the number to me. And what I'm going to do, I will type the number on the screen. All right. Once we fill the screen with the numbers, how we can remember? I'll show you a small demonstration. Okay, small demonstration. Okay, one second. One second. No, 1 second. Okay, small demonstration. Okay, yeah, you can type one 2-digit number and I will type the number in the screen now. Tell me number. My colleague Sunil is telling the number. You type one 2-digit number 00 to 991 number, right? Kuldeep 47. Okay, Farihar 27. Deepak 09. Pravalika 18. Payal 65. Ankit 35. 23. Okay, 49. Amrita 47. Bhumi 81. Kalyan 18. Kanak 28. Sahaswat 30. Shivaprasad 53. Karti 09. 34. 74 Sheikh Maulali. Okay, Kanak 11. Ashwat 25. Pranav 78. Pravalika 74. Murli Krishna 66. Ankit Pandey 34. Jadat 69. Jagadish 44. Nagesh 58. Bhumika Jain 24. Realme 89. Sanjeev 78. Sahas 50. Suman 42. Kalyan 18. Neha 08. Okay, Veda 72. Jaideep 12. Sheikh Maulali 74. Tasmia 45. Maunisha 24. Jaideep 21. Anjali 10. N Naga 51. Shamilia 24. Shri 88. Abhignya 47. Akshay 54. Durga 62. Shriram 87. Karti 07. Kilesh 31. Sushma 67. That's enough for me. Okay, just hold on for a minute. All right. See, whatever numbers you have told, all the numbers are there on the screen now. I got my colleague, right? So Murthy is there. And can you put the small screen? And then he's going to put this little thing to me so that I'm not able to see this. Okay. So just hold this mic here. Okay. Just hold this mic. Just hold on for a second. Okay. Just hold on. Hold on. Okay. So that you know that I'm actually trying to remember all of them. Oh no, numbers. Okay. So he's putting this. Okay. 1 second, just hold on for a minute. Yeah, okay, fine. So he's going to put this to me. Okay, look at this so that I don't get to see, because I'm not doing the live webinar, and I got two blindfolds he's going to put. Okay, so just keep the little blindfold little away from my nose. Okay, I should be able to breathe. Okay, now little down. Okay, so that I don't get to see. Okay, done. Okay, done. This perfectly okay. And one more exactly in the same manner, so that I can listen and I can talk also. Put two blindfold. Okay, right, two blindfold. Now put the mic on my, give the mic to me. Okay, now I will ask my colleague Mr. Murthy. He will tell the numbers to me. Let me see if I can remember all the numbers now. Okay, if I can remember all the numbers. Okay, Murthy, start the numbers please. 47. Okay, 27. Okay, 09. Okay, 18. Okay, 65. Okay, 35. Okay, 23. Okay, 49. Okay, 47. Okay, 47. Okay, 81. Okay, 18. Okay, 18. Okay, 28. Okay, 30. 30. Okay, 53. Okay, 53. Okay, 09. Okay, 09. Okay, 09. Okay, after 09, 34. Okay, 34. Okay, 74. Okay, 11. Okay, 11. Okay, 25. 25. Okay, 78. Okay, 74. Okay, 74. 74. Okay, 66. Okay, 66. Okay, 34. Okay, 34. Okay, 69. Okay, 44. Okay, 44. Okay, 58. Okay, 24. Okay, 89. Okay, 89. Okay, 89. Okay, 78. Okay, 78. Okay, 50. Okay, 42. Okay, 42. Okay, 18. Okay, 18. Okay, 08. Okay, 72. Okay, 12. Okay, 12. Okay, 74. Okay, 74. Okay, 45. Okay, 24. Okay, 24. Okay, 21. Okay, 10. Okay, 51. Okay, 24. Okay, 24. Okay, 88. Okay, 47. 47. Okay, 54. Okay, 54. Okay, 62. Okay, 87. Okay, 07. Okay, 31. Okay, 67. Okay, so just give me 2 minutes of time. I want to re-verify whether I got all the numbers in my brain or not. Let me just check. Okay. Just hold on. I'm just checking. Okay, Murthy, tell me all the numbers once again from the beginning, please. 47. Okay. 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 23. Okay. 23. 23. Okay. 49. Okay. 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 18. Okay. 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 74. Okay. 74. Okay. 66. Okay. 66. Okay. 34. Okay. Okay. 44. Okay. 58. Okay. 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 50. 50. Okay. 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 12. Okay. Okay. 45. Okay. Okay. 21. Okay. 10. Okay. 1 second. Some resound is coming. 10. Okay. 51. 51. Okay. After 51, the next one is 24. Okay. Okay. 47. Okay. 47. Okay. 54. Okay. 62. Okay. 87. Okay. 87. Okay. Okay. 31. Okay. Fine. Friends, all the numbers in my brain now. All of you are watching me. I will try and tell the numbers from back to front. One number. If I tell the right number, okay. If I tell the wrong number, you tell me stop. Look at the screen. I'm able to tell all numbers from back to front. One number. Check the screen now. 7 6 1 3 7 0 7 8 2 6 4 5, and then 7 4 8 8, and then the next number is 4 2 1 5 0 1 1 2 4 2, and then 5 4 4 7, and then 2 1 2 7 8 0 8 1, and then 2 4, and then 0 5. After that, the next number is 8 7, and then 9 8 4 2 8 5 4 4 9 6 4 3 6 6 4 7, and then 8 7, and then 5 2 1 1 4 7 4 3, and then 9 0 3 5 0 3 8 2, and then 8 1, and then 1 8, and then 7 4, and then the next number is 9 4 3 2, and then 5 3 5 6 8 1 9 0 7 2 7 4. All numbers are coming. Good. Now let us see if I can tell the numbers from top to bottom. Let's check the screen now. Can I do all the numbers? Let's check the screen now. 47 27 09 18 65 35 23, and then 49, and then 47, and then 81, and then 18, and then 28, and then after that 30 53 09 34 74 11 25 78, after that 74, and then 66 34, and then 69 44 58 24, and then 89, and then 78 50 42 18, and 08 72, and then 12. The next number is 74, and then 45, and then 24, and then 21, 10 51, and then the next number is 24. After that 88, and then 47, and then 54, then 62, and then 87, and then 07, and the next number is 31. Last number is 67. All of them are coming correct. Okay, press the enter button. Now all of you guys, what you do, in the chart box, type one row number. We got 5 rows: first row, second row, third row, fourth row, fifth row. Now type one row number. Out of these 5, choose one row number. Now, Sunil, tell me one row number which they're asking. Which is the row number they're asking?
A lot of people asking 5.
Or-
Jaideep,
okay. Jaideep, Bhumi, fifth row. Let me see if I can tell the fifth row. Forward or backward. Let me see if I can tell the backward. Okay. 67. After that, 31. And then 07. The next number is 87, 62. And then 54. And then the next number is 47. After that, 88. Then the next number is 24. The next number is 51. Coming correct. Now press. Oh, one more. Which row? Third one. Okay, let me see if I can tell the third row forward. Okay, third row forward. 74, 66, and then 34, and then 69, and then 44, 58, and then 24, and then the next number 89, 78, and 50. Okay, now press the enter button. You have 10 columns are there. Top to bottom 10 columns. Now in the chat box, type one column number. Any one column number. Any one 1 to 10. One column number. Seventh column. Let me see if I can tell all the seventh column top to bottom. Say this is 23, and then 74, and then 24, and then the next one is 45, and the next number is 87. Now tell me one more column number. Second column. Let me see if I can. Akshay Kumar, bottom top second column, right? Second column bottom top. Let's check this. Now this is 24, and then after that 18, and then the next number is now after that next number is 66. After that is 28. After that is 27. Is coming correct. Now press the enter button. You have got 50 boxes are there. You tell me any one box number. I will try and tell you the number inside the box. Tell me one box number. Yeah. Now, can you type the chart in the chart box? Type 22. 22 is 66. Next one. Type the box number. 37. Now 45. 35. That is 12. 45. That is 54. 23. That is 34. 46. That is 62. 16. That is 34. 22. That is 66. 45. Second time same question. 54. 56. 56. There's only 50 boxes are there, man. What's 56 number? I'm asking. Okay, box numbers. We'll do one more thing now. You type the number inside the box. The black in color which you see, type the number inside the box. I will tell you the box number of that number. Ask me in the reverse way. Okay, type the number inside the box, in the chart box. 13. There's no 13 number. In 13 box, we got 30. There's no 30 number. I am asking you 78. 78 is in two places. Where is 78? 78 is in box number, one is box number 20. Okay, box number 20 is there. Okay, I think only one box is there. 78. Yeah, next one. 54. 54 is in box number 45. Next one. 88, box number 43. 58, box number 26. 65, box number 5. 24. 24 is in many places. Box number 27 is there. Box number 38 is there. And then box number 42. 3 boxes 24 is there. You can cross verify. Next one. 54. I told you now. Box number 45. Next one. 89. Box number 28. 11 is box number 18. 62. Box number 46. 78. Okay, box number 20. 89. I told you box number 89. I already told you, right? 89. Next one. 77. Okay, 77. Okay, where is 77? Okay, 77. That number is not there. Where is 77? Is it there? 77. Okay, not there. Okay, now is that okay? Can you take out this? Okay, can you take out this? Okay. And can you take that out? Okay, and then can you put me in the full thing so that they will see me in the full screen now? Can you escape from the sharing screen and show me full screen? Okay, and then you see this. Okay, see these two. Okay, there's two still are there. Okay, right? Most of you, okay, you're asking me how he's just showing you your chart history. Okay, who are asking which box? Okay, how I'm able to do? Listen, I don't have 4 hands and 6 legs. Neither I got 3 fathers and 4 mothers. I don't have anything else. I'm also exactly like you. And frankly speaking, neither I'm a trainer, nor I'm a teacher, nor I'm a professor. I was a Fauji before, part of the Indian Air Force. Right now, I'm the President World Memory Council. 10 years of my research, 10 years of my training, 10 years of reading books, 10 years of me undergoing training, 10 years of me learning from people like you. I have developed this, okay, wonderful memory techniques. And I would like to share these secrets with you. And in 7 days, you too will be able to do with a little bit more practice, okay? Then you will ask me, Jaisima sir, you are able to do perfectly, okay? Will you be able to teach us one technique? I will try. I will try and teach you one technique. So what we will do right now is I won't teach you the numbers. Why? For teaching numbers, you require some before training. You require some time. I will teach you how to remember words. Okay. All of you, what you should do, keep your notebook and pen down. Why? By writing in the notebook, if you tell me, there's no much problem. Okay. I want to test your memory before me teaching. Otherwise, he will tell me, Jaisima sir, before coming to your memory program, already we had very good memory. Yes or no? That's why keep the book down, pen down, nothing. You have your natural memory. If you have got your mother, father, call everyone, sit together and see if you can remember these words. Shall we try? Normal memory without writing, no discussion. Let me just check. Remember one word called, okay, butterfly. Remember butterfly? Okay, got it. Next one, cow. Remember cow. The next one, tree. Okay, after tree, the next one is aeroplane. Got it. After aeroplane, the next one is water. Water. After that, magnet. Remember magnet. Thereafter, dog. Dog. After dog, the next one you should remember is towel. You know towel. After bath, we wipe our head. Towel. After that, cat. Remember cat. After cat, the next one is bus. You know bus. After bus, the next one is mountain. Remember mountain. Okay. After mountain, the next one is doctor. Doctor. After the tire. You know tire. Car will have a tire. Tire. Okay. Then cricket. You know cricket. Then watch. Remember watch. Okay. Watch. Then masala dosa. Masala dosa. Okay. After masala dosa, the next one, Lord Ganesha. Remember Lord Ganesha. Lord Ganesha. Okay. The next one you should remember is school. Okay. After Lord Ganesha, school. After school, the next one is Bahubali, one cinema. Okay. Remember cinema. Why Bahubali? Some of you are not from India, you don't know. Cinema. Remember cinema. After cinema, the next one is Narendra Modi. Okay. Narendra Modi. Next one is now Mysore Palace. Mysore Palace. The next one, cell phone. Right? After that, the last one is jail. So many I told you, take out your notebook. Right? And then take out your pen. See how many words you think remember. Now don't rush into the study room. I don't need the notebook. Okay? Count on your fingers. No need to even write in the same order. No need to even remember them in the same order. First one, last okay, last one, middle okay, middle one, first okay. Anyway, it is okay. Just see as to how many words you think remember without discussion, without consultation, without taking the help of your mom and dad. I want to do. If you are there, ask your mommy also, try. Let us see who has got good memory, whether you have got good memory or your mother has good memory. Let us check how many words you remember, and then type in the chat box how many words you think you remember. Yeah, 8. Yes. Somebody says 7. 5. 9. Okay. 11. Very good. 6. Okay. 9. 7. Okay. 10. Okay. 12. Oh, very nice. Very good. I understood your memory. Okay. Most of you are 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, 4, 5, 6, 7. Understood. You know what is happening. Stop writing. Stop writing. Stop even chat. No, putting in the chat box. I understood your memory. Problem is you are trying to buy out the words. Okay. I told you butterfly. You said butterfly, butterfly, butterfly. I told you cow, butterfly, cow, butterfly, cow. I told you tree, butterfly, cow, tree, butterfly, cow, tree. I told you aeroplane. By then you forgot the butterfly. And I told you water. Then you forgot your name. and I told you magnet, then you forgot whether you are a girl or a boy. And I told you one more word, and then you are looking at your mother very, angrily. Why the hell this memory program? And in the school only, the teacher is troubling me, and now this memory fellow is asking me to remember. Yes or no? The thing is, you're using by hearting method. That's why study, you don't like it, right? Then what method should we use, sir? We should use something called creative visualization method. What is visualization? Visualization means imagination. Our brain and our computer both work in similar fashion. If we type something into the computer, what does it do? It converts the data into binary code 0110. Why? The computer knows only binary code language. Similarly, our brain, whether you read English or science, when it goes inside, it converts the text into pictures, the subject into pictures. Why? The way you have one television in the house, there is one TV in our brain, and brain sees pictures. Brain likes pictures. Brain understands not Tamil, not Kannada, not Hindi, not English. It understands only picture language. That's why if I tell you dinosaur, what has come to you? Dinosaur picture, not spelling. If I tell Ma, who came to you? Ma's picture, not spelling. If I tell Taj Mahal, what did you see? Taj Mahal ka picture, not spelling, right? So you remember pictures because brain likes it. That's why, Babu, during this lockdown, morning Amazon Prime, afternoon Netflix, and evening Hotstar, then you have one more video. So many movies you can see. But Amma says, open the book and read. 5 minutes, Ma, urgent. Amma, urgent. Ma, why? Both are coming, Ma. Yes or no? You cannot sit because brain likes pictures, and in the movie pictures are there, in the textbook pictures are not there, it doesn't like. Then what to do, sir? We have to convert this textbook into pictures. That's what I'm going to teach you from 4th of June when you join the memory workshop, online workshop. I will teach you right now one technique so that you say 1 hour I was with Jason, at least one thing I have learned. Okay, whether you choose to be part of this workshop or not, at least one thing you learn. Now all of you sit comfortably, both the feet flat on the ground, hands on the thighs, gently close your eyes, take a deep breath, hold it, slowly exhale. As you exhale, tell yourself, relax, relax, and relax. One more deep breath, hold it, slowly exhale. As you exhale, tell yourself, relax, relax, and relax. Imagine there's a beautiful butterfly. Can you see a colorful butterfly? It went and sat on a cow. Look at that. No, butterfly sitting on a cow, and cow is climbing the tree. Imagine how funny. Cow is climbing the tree. The moment cow reaches the tree top, and there it found one aeroplane. Aeroplane is parked on the tree. And what did the cow do? It went and filled the aeroplane with water, trying to start the aeroplane. Okay, and aeroplane started. Aeroplane was going. There was one big magnetic field. The aeroplane was attracted by magnet. Aeroplane was coming down, coming down, coming down, trying to stick to the magnet. Just then, one dog came running because it wanted to see how this aeroplane is landing on the magnet field. And next to, I told you, towel. So dog was wearing a towel. What? Dog at the time was having its bath. It had no time to put on its pant and shirt. Now imagine one puppy dog wearing a one pink towel running. How funny. Behind on the way, one cat met. It said, dog, where are you going? Dog said, no, I'm going to see the aeroplane. Cat said, I also will come. Meow. So dog and cat, both of them got into a bus. Imagine both of them are in the bus. As they were driving, this bus went and hit one big mountain, but big accident. Both of them are injured. They called for a doctor. So doctor came. He was absent-minded doctor. He started to come and change the tire. Okay. After changing the tire, he said, I'm tired. Now no more treatment. I have to go and play cricket. He went and played the cricket. He won the match. He was gifted a watch. Imagine, doctor was gifted one Rolex watch, and he went and gave the watch and bought some masala dosa. Who bought masala dosa? Lord Ganesha bought masala dosa. Okay, and after eating masala dosa, Ganesha told doctor, you don't seem to have got enough knowledge. Better go to school. So Ganesha sent doctor to the school. Half the way, doctor saw left and right, God is not there. Why will I go to school? He went to see one cinema. And in the cinema, so the moment projection was on, you saw Narendra Modi, hero in the movie, Narendra Modi. Modi ji was in Mysore Palace. Imagine Mysore Palace. What is he doing now? He's talking on the cell phone. Mitro is talking. and because he's not supposed to talk, he's talking, and everyone, what did they do? They put Modiji in a big jail. Okay, right? Right, that's all. Story over. Now let me ask you some questions. First of all, what are you saying now? Butterfly. When and sudden cow. Cow is climbing in the tree. Tree ke upar aeroplane. Putting in the aeroplane water. Aeroplane was uttered by magnet. Who came running? Dog wearing a towel. Behind that, cat. Both of them inside the bus. Bus went into the mountain. They called for a doctor. He came and changed the tire. He went to play cricket. He got one watch. He bought one masala dosa. Who brought it? Lord Ganesha. Ganesha sent him to school, but this fellow went to see cinema. Who is the hero in the cinema? Narendra Modi. Modi ji was in the Mysore Palace. He was talking on the cell phone and he was put in a big jail. Okay. Now all the words are there. Let me just tell you: butterfly, cow, tree, aeroplane, water, magnet, and dog, towel, cat, bus, mountain, doctor, tire, and then after tire, the next one, cricket, watch, masala dosa, Lord Ganesha, school, cinema, Narendra Modi, Mysore Palace, cell phone, and then jail. 23 words. It took you just exactly 1 minute to remember. This is what visualization method. I did one of my Guinness World Record. I remember like this 200 objects. Okay, little training, you too can break my record, right? You too, you can actually do much better than me. You will ask me, Jaisima sir, what's the use of this? See, in the memory workshop, okay, let me just explain this to you. That in the memory workshop, I'll teach you this first method is visualization method. I'll teach you how does the right brain works. You will learn this. Once you learn this, how to remember the list of words, you will master. Then exam, how do you use it? By using this, you can remember the long answer question, essay question, speeches. You are a software engineer, you want to give a presentation, or you are a politician, you want to give 3-page speech, you will be able to easily remember. IAS exam, sir, I got one big long answer question, sir, essay question, you can do. Sir, I'm studying 9th class. Yes, you can do. And thereafter, I'll teach you countries and capitals, country and currency, book and author, and then I'll teach you GK and current affairs, how to remember. Thereafter, you will learn from me scientific terminology. For example, one plant, what is the botanical name? One animal, what is zoological name? And you got one medical kit. Now that tablet name, injection name, syrup bottle name, you should remember, right? Or you are lawyer, legal terms. You are an engineer, engineering jargon, right? And then you are a constitutional expert, you need to remember a lot of words. Or you want to learn one foreign language, how to start. Science subject, how to read, I'll teach you that, right? I'll teach you. Thereafter, how to remember vocabulary. Vocabulary means what? When you read one paper, you come across unknown word, meanings, how to remember, right? I will teach you that method. And you can remember how many words you want. GRE, GMAT, CAT, TOEFL, IELTS exam will become easy for you. Okay. You want to do your MBA from IIM Bangalore will become easy for you. Or you are an adult. You want to become a good speaker in English, like Shashi Tharoor. When he speaks, member of parliament from Thiruvananthapuram, people in America, they sit with the dictionary in their hand. Fabulous speaker. You know that he spoke well. What he spoke, don't know, sir. He spoke something very interesting. What interesting, don't know, right? So you will develop that vocabulary. So fluency in English. Thereafter, I teach you how to overcome English spelling mistakes. Most of you children, you are very good orally to, if I ask you to write exam, silly mistake, spelling, and English miss, cross mark, and then half mark cut. And then when you come back home, first rank you missed, and Amma very, very angry. How to remember? How spellings? For example, Czechoslovakia, attendance, assassination, right? Pennsylvania, lieutenant, right? Now, if you want to remember any big word, how to do, I'll teach you this method. Now, if you are a mother, if you are a father, if you are a teacher, if you are a principal, if you are a correspondent, you must make sure that all your teachers are in this workshop so that they learn how to help them to remember the spellings. Thereafter, what I will teach you, I will teach you how to, okay, memorize the numbers. Just now you saw me memorizing numbers, right? What I'm doing now, I'm converting these numbers into pictures. You say, sir, teach. That's why I'm here. No, I want to teach you, man. That's why. But 1 hour is not sufficient. No, you should be there with me. Travel 7 days, daily to 14 hours. I'm asking for your time. I can teach you that phonetic method. You can remember numbers like me. Using that, what will happen? If you are an adult, brain becomes very sharp. Okay. is a beautiful brain gym exercise. If you can remember 20 numbers a day, I'll teach you how to do. Thereafter, using this number technique, historical years you should remember. First World War happened when? Hiroshima, Nagasaki atomic bomb dropped when? Ashoka did Kalinga War when? Shah Jahan built Taj Mahal when? Right? Akbar built Fatehpur Sikri when? You should remember. First War of Panipat happened when? Right? Gandhiji did Dand March when? You should remember all of them, right? Now, constants: Mount Everest height, Nile River how long, iron melting temperature, mass of electron, solar year, how many bones are there, human body. Should remember. Adults, you should remember, like bike number, car number, right? All of you got your Aadhaar card number. Children, look back and ask mommy, has got Aadhaar card number. Ask mommy, tell me your Aadhaar card number. Now she's blank, right? Who will tell? I'm not asking Modiji's Aadhaar card number. I'm asking your Aadhaar card number only. You don't remember. PAN card number, don't know. Bank account number, don't know. ATM PIN number also you don't know. Then what to do? Hmm? Numbers. Somebody will ask you how many people so far affected with coronavirus across the globe. They're asking you how many people died as of today in America because of corona. Numbers only, right? Right? Constitutional articles, Indian Penal Code, Income Tax Act, everything is all about numbers. I'll teach you that method. Then I will teach you how to remember the science subject, how you can remember. Then definition, equation, theorems, how to remember. Then you say, Jaisima sir, that's not my problem, sir. I remember, I read, I remember, but slowly I'm forgetting, sir. How can you remember till, end? Your problem, I'll teach you, how do you retain till the exams? No, how can retain it for long time? This I will teach you, Thereafter, names and faces. Sometime you meet someone in railway station, bus stand, airport. He will tell his name to you. You tell your name to him. Next time you see him in the shopping mall, you know that you know, but you don't know. आपको लगता है कि इसको देखा, I have seen, but where? You want to become a HR manager, you want to become politician, you want to become big businessman, you should remember the names of people, man. Now, how do you remember? I'll teach you, right? How to do that. Okay. So this much is my subject syllabus for level 1. With this, I will teach you 2 more things. One is concentration, second is exam fear. Concentration. See, when we are studying, we are not able to develop concentration. Concentration. Mind goes here and there, stupid thoughts. The other day I was in a college. I asked one guy, what are you thinking? He was telling, sir, why, sir? What to think, bolke I'm thinking. I asked one more fellow, what are you thinking? He's telling, sir, Rahul Gandhi, 48 years old. Why is he not getting married? Nothing else is there. Somebody, why Modi ji is not putting bomb on Pakistan? Why Virat Kohli is not having a baby? Now you have got 1,000 questions. When the lockdown will be lifted, if you think things will happen, why these thoughts will come? How to develop concentration? And every mummy and daddy, they are complaining, mera bacha 5 minute ठीक से नहीं बैठता, 5 minutes this side, that side, this side. You keep on getting up, right? How to sit, man, in the chair and study? Concentration, man. Then exam fear. Means many people say, sir, I remember in the house, but problem is the moment I go to exam, then only I forget. That's what the problem is, right? How to remember, how to overcome the exam fear. Now this I will teach you, whatever, and then I'm also going to now talk to you about how to keep your brain active, in the sense that even as you are keep aging, how can the brain be sharp? What kind of food, what kind of sleep, what kind of exercise we should do, and what kind of thing that we should do for keeping the brain very healthy and active. Whoever you are, you require this program. Now, before I talk about why this program, what for this program, let me just show you one more demonstration. One more demonstration. And this demonstration is what? One beautiful calendar demonstration I want to show you. Calendar demonstration. What is calendar demonstration? Look at this. See, calendar demonstration means what? Calendar means what? What I want to do is, see, in the chat box, I want you to type your date of birth, date, month, year. You type. Or mummy daddy's date of wedding. Or if you're an adult, आपका बेटा और बेटी का date, month, year. Any date, month, year. I'm looking into you. Okay, I got my colleague Mr. Sunil. He has got the mobile. He will show me the date that you have typed. Okay, and I will tell you instantly which is the day. Okay, I will just show you one small demonstration. Okay, right? He's showing you the mobile. Okay, it doesn't have anything else. Your own thing. Okay, right? I'm just going to see and tell which is the day. Okay, randomly I'm going to tell you. Okay, just tell me. Okay, I'm just seeing this. Okay, right? Date of birth. Okay, just wait there. Okay, now this is 15th. Okay, now Apo 15th November 1995, supposed to be Wednesday. Okay, Jaydeep. Okay, 11th. Okay, March 2002, supposed to be Monday. And Jay Yadav 17th July 1998, Friday. Okay, Srivastav 30th June 2006, supposed to be Friday. Now Jaya Ja. Okay, 29th May now 1999, supposed to be Saturday. Shiva Prakash 16th. Okay, June 2001, supposed to be Saturday. Okay, and then 77209. What is this ray? Abhinav ठीक से type करो ना, right? So now Pravalika 18th. Okay, October 1998, supposed to be Sunday. Akshay Verma 16th April 2005, supposed to be Saturday. Sridham, okay, 12th August, okay, 2005, supposed to be Friday. Now Shaktivel 29th October 97, supposed to be Wednesday. Nikita, okay, Nikita, okay, Nikita, where is Nikita? Okay, okay, Durga, okay, Nikita, go up, okay. Go up. Nikita 24th February, okay, 2003, okay, supposed to be Monday. And then Satyapu Abhinav 29th November 2007, supposed to be Thursday. Sanjeev Jakar 6th, okay, now December 1997, supposed to be Saturday. Monisha 24th January 2002, supposed to be Thursday. Durga Devi 6th February 1993, okay, supposed to be Saturday. XYZ, your name is XYZ, very good. 4th July, okay, 1998, supposed to be Saturday. Akshay Verma 16th April 2005, Saturday. Akshay, I told Ali. Subha 30th, okay, and then November 1974, supposed to be Saturday. Kalyan 20th, okay, March 2003, supposed to be Thursday. Now Sahaj, okay, 12th October 97, supposed to be Sunday. Siddesh, okay, 7th May 97, supposed to be Wednesday. Appo 3rd, okay, May 1993, supposed to be Monday. Now Sonal, okay, 25th, okay, now December 2000, supposed to be Monday. Divya 28th March 1998, supposed to be Saturday. Viduta, okay, Uduta, okay, 25th November 1998, supposed to be Wednesday. Abhigna 2nd July 2005, Saturday. Okay, Amruta Avate, now 16th April 97, supposed to be Wednesday. Akshay Verma 16th April 2005, okay, Saturday. I told you, Akshay, how many times you'll ask me this question? Okay, right? Okay, and then Sasta 1st, okay, June 19, supposed to be Monday. Pranay, okay, 7th of June, okay, and then 1995, okay, supposed to be Wednesday. And then Pranav 29th November, okay, and 2008, supposed to be Saturday. Now Kandimalla Sri, okay, 10th April 1997, supposed to be Sunday. Now Satyapu Abhinav 29th November 2007, supposed to be now Thursday. Now my Redmi, okay, 10th August, okay, 10th August 19, supposed to be Sunday. Okay, Appo 15th, okay, December 995, supposed to be Friday. Akshay Verma 16th April 2005, supposed to be Saturday. Okay, Sahil, okay, Sheikh Maulali now 10th November 2000, supposed to be Friday. Subha 30th January 2010, supposed to be Saturday. Okay, Yad, okay, now Yad 2000 kaise bolunga Yad? Where is the date and month Yad? Okay, Subba Reddy 31st March, okay, to now 2006, supposed to be Friday. Aniket Pandey 16th, okay, August 1997, that's supposed to be Saturday. Now Satyapu Abhinav, how many times last Satyapu Abhinav? 29th November 2007, Thursday, I told you. Someshwar Rao 3 January 2007, Wednesday. Akshay Verma 16th April 2005, supposed to be Saturday. Murli Krishna 6th October 1999, supposed to be Wednesday. Mahak 30th November 1990, supposed to be Wednesday. Okay, right? And then no, supposed to be Tuesday, not Wednesday, Tuesday. Okay, and then now Akshay Verma, okay, 16th April 2005. Akshay, how many times you will type Akshay? Saturday, I told you Akshay. Okay, right? I told you. Okay, now I'm just like that. I'm able to tell you how I'm able to do, man. I'm using one simple memory technique. You know what? He's showing you the mobile which your dates are printed. You know, I have done one Guinness World Record. My latest record is in 1 minute. I have told 106 dates were given to me. I have told the days. You understand? And from when 1601 to 2100, in between random dates were flashing on the screen. Looking at it, I'm supposed to tell. Means 0.5 seconds. And my brain is like your brain only, right? How I'm able to do? If you learn this technique, right, I will teach you this in advanced course. But if you learn this, any bank exam, right, IAS exam will become so easy now. What I'm saying is study so easy better if you know the methodology. If you don't know, difficult. Imagine, yeah, my dad has gifted me a bike. If I know how to drive, aram se I can drive. Dad gifted me bike. He told, beta, learn how to drive. I didn't learn. I am putting one rope to the bike, tying. I'm dragging that bike on the road. People look at me and say, funny fellow. Yes or no? That means if you know to drive, bike will become asset. If you don't know, it becomes liability. Correct? Brain can be your master or it can be servant. If you know how to use this brain, then you become the winner. If you don't know, you have got a brain but not able to use. And I will teach you this technique. Then you will ask me 2-3 questions. You will ask me, Jaisima sir, if we attend your program, shall we stop going to school, college, and university? I never told you that. I'm not replacing your teacher or the professor. I am only going to supplement them. We eat food, man, but sometimes we take vitamin tablet, right? Some extra supplement, okay? Some fruit juice, why? Okay? Calcium syrup, why? You want to have some strength, yes or no? In the school, understand the lesson. College, understand the lesson. Read a book, understand. Remembering, use me. So 60 to 70%, you miss. 30 to 40% Jessima. Use both of them. You become a lethal weapon. I'm only going to supplement your school or a college, university. Okay, right? Number one. Number two, will ask me, Jessima sir, in 1 week, will I become like you? Why should you say only will I become like you? You can become better than me, yaar. But 7 days, thoda, you think na. See, I want to play for India, want to become India's cricket team captain, Virat Kohli Jaisa. I joined the cricket coaching camp. In 1 month, can I bat like Virat Kohli? But if I have to bat means, now I have to learn, right? This is a basic. See, memory course is in 3 parts. Basic level 1, which we are doing now, advanced course, and then the next one is the master course. Okay, then you can become Indian world memory champion. How? English is there in 5th class, 7th class, 10th class. Memory is also a big ocean. That's why I explained you the syllabus. Okay, what you will learn in this memory workshop. Okay, right? Then you'll ask me. Many of you ask me, why should we attend this workshop? If we don't attend, won't we pass? I never told you that without attending this course you will not pass. Did I ever say that? No. I'm here in Kukatpalli. Those of you know Hyderabad. I want to go to Shamshabad. I can go by walk. I will reach in 3 hours. I also can go by car. Which one is more comfortable? Car, right? I can go up in the apartment, 8th floor. I can walk up the steps. Time consuming energy. I also can go by lift. Which one is easy? Lift is easy. All mummies, you want to grind that idli wala thing now? Okay, right? You can do like this, your mother-in-law, but now you are putting in the mixer grinder. Which one is easy? Mixer grinder is easy, no? Okay. What I'm saying is, last 15-20 years, so much of advancement happened in the human brain evolution, and you are using all age-old methods. Teachers will tell, remember, memorize. They never tell how to remember. You tell children, read. How to read, you don't tell. If I ask Virat Kohli to play cricket, I should teach him how to play cricket, right? You didn't learn in the school. Write down, lockdown time is there. No, I am there with you. You can learn this memory technique. It becomes more easy. Then you'll ask me, many parents are asking, Jaisimha, when I was a child, I did not go through this memory program. I did pass exam. Yes. I did get a job. Yes. I did get married. Yes. I did have a child. Yes. Right now, why my son requires memory program? Very good question, madam. Very good question, sir. When we were children, we were only going from house to school, school back to house. Kabhi kabhi kabaddi, kabhi kabhi volleyball, kabhi kabhi football. Yes or no? House and school. But today our children, television, 150 channels are there. Netflix is there. Amazon Prime is there. Hotstar is there. WhatsApp is there. Facebook is there. YouTube is there. Video games are there. PUBG is there. No PUBG. Then so much of, distraction for the children. And second thing is, when I was a kid, when you were a kid, 70% we were like heroes. But your child get 95 today out of 100. You say only 95. You're supposed to get 105 na, you will ask. 105 out of 100 you want. Why? You say competition. Whole world has become global village. I agree. Today our competition is not with Karnataka or Tamil Nadu or Bihar or Rajasthan or Gujarat. We are going to compete with somebody in America or no England or Brazil or no Italy. The whole world has become a global village. Now, what is your plan to prepare your child for the future? I'm asking this question. Okay, that's why this workshop. Then you'll ask me, who can attend this workshop? Anybody, any child who is from 7 years above, anyone. You are in 5th class, 6th class, 7th class, 8th class, 9th class, 10th class, 11th and 12th. You are doing graduation, or you are in post graduation, or you are already preparing for IAS exam, or you are actually going working as software engineer. You are a doctor, you are an engineer, you are a mother, you are a teacher. Anyone can attend. Even 75 years old, you are professional, you can still attend the workshop. Okay, right? Anyone can attend, because memory is life, life is memory. If I take that memory out from our life, life will become like that of a vegetable. Whether you and I are there or not there, it will make no difference if we don't have memory. So memory we all should have. Are you understanding what I'm saying this? Okay, then you say what this course is all about. Let me just tell you what this course, when this course is happening. As I'm telling you, okay, just let me just tell you, okay, when this course is going to happen. Okay, right? So this workshop, 7 days workshop. Okay, 7 days workshop, and starting from 4th of June. So today we are on 2nd of June, right? 4th June means Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, right? 7 days. And what time? 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. Why 7 p.m. to 9 p.m.? Most of you parents, you are very busy working from home, right? And then children, you got some online classes also in the morning. So morning, whatever you have got, your school, college, all that you do, evening 7 to 9 p.m. Anyone says, sir, 7 to 9 p.m. if I am not free, then what I should do, sir? Hello, don't worry. हम है ना आपके साथ. I'll give you that recorded video. Okay, 9 p.m. is over. By next day morning, you will get the recorded video of the session. Whenever you have time, either midnight or early morning, next day, afternoon, anytime you can watch. For the next 3 months, I'm also going to give you the recorded video as well. Okay, so don't worry. Okay, anytime you can learn. Right? Even parents, you're very busy with your work. When you're free, you can see them. Next 3 months, I'm going to give this access. Okay, right? And why should you attend the workshop? I told you. Okay, who can attend? Every human being can attend the workshop. I told you. Okay, and then what will you get in this workshop? Now, first thing is you will get trained by me. Personal training by Squant Jason. I know today being Tuesday, 11 o'clock, you have a lot of interesting things to do, but you choose to invest your time with me without knowing my background. Did you do that? No. You have seen, my credibility on the Facebook and then Google. You saw my YouTube videos, and you know that now I'm the president, World Memory Sports Council for India, man. That means what? Whether you're a teacher, professor, scientist, understand one thing: memory begins with me, memory ends with me in India. There's no one who can say that I know more, I know better, I know something extra than Jason. I'm not, arrogant. I'm not exaggerating, but I'm telling you the fact. 90% of the memory trainers in India are trained by me. I'm the World Memory Council President, official head. Then I'm the only Indian with maximum Guinness World Records. I'm going to train you personally. Live class, man. Online. Actually, if the lockdown was not supposed to be there, I was supposed to do a program in Kathmandu. Then I was supposed to be there on 30th of May in Sri Lanka, Colombo. Then I was supposed to be in Sydney. I was supposed to do 5-6 programs all over India. Then only few people they get to attend my live workshops when I do in a Jaipur or Indore or Delhi or Kolkata. But right now, online training, you get to learn from me, whether you're in Hong Kong or Australia or US, or you're in Ludhiana, or you are there in Haryana, or you are there, somebody's in Gujarat, somebody says, I'm from Nagpur. You all can learn, right? You will get to learn from the master of the masters. I will train you personal, number one. Number two, I will be sending a workbook which you can download, you can print it, and which will help you as a supplement to what I'm teaching. Okay. The next, I'll issue a certificate, digital certificate. right? If you attend the workshop, and the certificate you can keep it safe and very very worthy position. And then most important thing is, okay, I'm also going to give the recorded sessions of the all the 7 days workshop. Okay, all the 7 days training, you can use it for 90 days. Okay, 3 months you can use this video. 3 months you can use this. Okay, 3 months, right? You can use this for next 3 months. You can use it as many times. So don't worry, right? And then most important thing is, children, you will be able to understand because my teaching is so easy and interesting. In case you don't understand, your mother is there, father is there, grandfather is there, grandmother is there, uncle is there, aunt is there, sister is there, brother is there. They'll help you because they also are watching. If not, let them watch the video and they will explain. In case they don't explain also, I will do, right? I will give you after training support also. I'll be able to give you, whole family can learn, right? And then what, after training support also, I'll give my personal mobile number, email ID, and I shall be there hand holding you until you become perfect, so that I can take you to the advanced memory training little later. Okay, and then most important thing is, the final question asked me is, Jason sir, all this, okay, how much is going to cost? Okay, what is the value beta? I don't know. If you go to one temple, 10 rupees coconut, right? That's the cost. Value, I don't know. This course, how much it can make a difference to your life, I don't know. But if you have to put in terms of money, and now one thing is, you'll be spending 7 days with me, daily 2 hours, with the president world memory sports council for India, only Indian with maximum Guinness world record, only person who trained more than 3 lakh people, who is an author of 2 famous memory books called Train Your Brain, Ultimate Guide to Improve Memory, and 10 other motivational books, right? You will get trained by me. You will get the recorded video, you will get the workbook, you will get the digital certificate. Okay, after training support, all this, and whole family can learn, not one person. When you do workshop, you will paying huge money, but only you can come or your mom can come. But right now, all of you can learn, family, you can learn. And this whole of this, okay, this workshop, how much is going to cost you? Is going to cost you 15,000 rupees only. Why are you so serious? Huh? डर गए? Arey, if you attend my live workshop, physical workshop in Kolkata, Bangalore, I charge that much. But right now I'm doing online training, so it won't be that much. Now breathe easy, cool, 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 cool. Let the heart beat again. And this workshop, and now not going to 15,000 rupees. It's going to be 3,999 only. Okay, 3,999 only. Okay, but I'm going to do one more thing offer for you. Okay, whole family you can learn. Minimum 30 to 40% memory you can improve, whether in your studies or in your profession, in your personal or in your professional life. All that you can do. Not 3,999. If you register today, this workshop is going to come only for 2,999. That's all. Today, one pant shirt will cost you more, right? One pair of shoes you won't get. And your birthday, 5 people, you give them food, so much you will spend. But after 1 week, what you ate, you won't remember. What dress you wore, you will not remember. But what you learned only will be there. And my suggestion to all the mummies and daddies is, imagine many of you are amassing wealth. I want to give 100 crores. I want to give 10 kg gold. I want to give 2 farmhouse, 100 acre ka zameen. Hello, आपका बच्चा is good. Don't have to give any money because he can make money on his own. आपका बच्चा is not good. You give so much money, he will make it totally waste. That means the real investment is your kid only, on their head only. Tell them, beta, this year on your birthday, no dress, Jason Masar workshop. And they'll be so happy and so proud that yes, you put them into this workshop. And then you want to register. Okay, you'll ask me how to register for this workshop. Okay, see, as you are watching my video, next to that there's a payment link is already pasted. You can copy, and then what you can copy, and then you can click the link and you can make the payment. You can pay through Google Pay, you can do Phone Pay, you can do Paytm, you can do net bank transfer, you can do debit card, credit card, whichever the way you want to do, you can do transfer. Those of you are on Facebook also, the link is already pasted. Just copy and paste. If not, okay, I will give you what, okay, but and I got one more little offer for you. Okay, if you register today, Shall I share with you one register? If you register today, what will happen? For all those mummies and daddies, and for all those professionals, I'm going to help you to remember your memory, but I'm going to give you something extra. Okay, extra. Okay, one beautiful bonus I'm going to give you. What is the bonus? Okay, see, I'm going to give you, if you join up today for the workshop, what bonus I'm going to give you? I'm going to give you one masterclass video. Okay, right? Absent mindedness, how to overcome forgetfulness. You forget where you kept your chashma, where you kept your pen, where you kept your bike keys, where you kept your watch. You keep milk on the stove and forget. You open the tap in the washroom and forget, right? You forget appointments. How to overcome that? Worth 1,999 totally. This video class will come free to you. Okay, right? Second, now I'm going to give you one more masterclass video, erasing bad memories for all the adults. Means what? Not remembering, yeah, forgetting. Sometimes you lose money in the stock market, you failed in exam, love failure happened, somebody died in the family, you are supposed to get a promotion but you are not considered, somebody came and criticized, scolded, you wanted something else happened, right? And all of them, when you sleep, they come haunting until you don't get sleep. How to forget? Beautiful thing. Now, not for children, adults. I'm going to give you this masterclass free, 1,499 free totally. Okay, and then what? I'm also going to give you one more masterclass video. That's of art of parenting. Okay, what the 999? How to bring up children in the 21st century. Okay, when the lockdown started, no, all of you, I'm going to spend time with my son. I'm going to spend time with my daughter, husband, wife. Very good. Do I'm able to cook. Only first lockdown 1.0, right? Lockdown 4.0, all of you start hating the sight of each other. Yes or no? You say, "Yera bacha, mera kya jankara," right? How to bring up children in this 21st century? A beautiful thing for all the parents and those of you getting married and going to have children. Beautiful thing, 999 free for you. And how much? This whole thing, 3 masterclass videos, if you register today, total worth 4,497 free for you and for the entire family. I'm going to give it free. So what more you want, man? Jaisama will train you. He's going to give you. That means what? Okay, you will get memory course fee worth 15,000 plus 3 bonus free masterclass videos. Course with 4,497, total of 19,497 for you and entire family is going to come for 2,999. Okay, you want me to do anything else more? Tell me. You ask me, you want me to give my shirt and pant, I'll give it to you. Then what more you expect me? And I don't see any reason why you can't come for the workshop, right? You have a question, okay? And now my question is very sincere question, okay? My question is very sincere, okay? Very honest question is, sir, I want to join up, okay? But then in case I've got a problem, what to do? Register now. How do you register now? These are the numbers which you see, right? You know, you got the payment link already there. Unless you can go to my website, you can find the payment link. Otherwise, you just take the mobile and click these pictures. 9885157228, 7989136194, 8143589543. Now you send one message, call them up, and then ask them, I want the payment link. Within 30 seconds, you will get the link and you can complete the payment link. All right. Now I will ask you only one question. Okay. The question is, now I need to share something very interesting. Only last 2 minutes of this workshop before I take your questions. I don't see any reason for you not to attend the memory course. Okay, either you are a trained memory guy or untrained. You say, no, my son is naturally talented. Yeah, Sachin is naturally talented, but he needed Ramakant Achrekar. Arjuna was great. He required Dronacharya, right? Even Dhoni, he needed a coach like a Ravi Shastri. Yes or no? Your son is good, he needs Jaisima. If your son is not good, he still needs Jaisima, number 1. Number 2, I'm telling you this. If you have any problem about me, go to Google, go to YouTube, okay? Do search, okay? Is there anyone better than Jaisima who can train on memory in India right now? Okay? Just go to Google, type World Memory Council of India President. If my name is coming, I'm the only Indian who get this record, you attend, okay? Otherwise, now tomorrow 11 o'clock, I got one more webinar. I'm telling you, right? You got your teacher, you got your principal, you got your correspondent, you got one doctor, you got one scientist, you got somebody who is a brain expert. No, ask them to attend the webinar and ask them to question me and ask them to check whether what I'm talking is this the way, is there any other way? and ask anybody's opinion. To talk like this, looking into eyes, requires lot of himmat, lot of courage. I'm talking from my heart, okay? I am a Fauji, defense fellow. I'm here. Today I would have been a brigadier today, air commodore. I left the job because this is my passion. I want to build wonderful people like you, people who got wonderful brains. For that only I have been dedicating my life, and I'm screaming, I'm shouting. You can see the passion with which I'm speaking right now. Not any other training, because I want you to be part of this course, okay? And I don't see any reason why you can't be part of the course. And if you think that yes, I'm wrong, now tell somebody that what I'm teaching is wrong. Then from tomorrow, I will stop doing webinar. If you think that I'm doing right thing, right, and you should be part of the course. If you don't want to part, if you know Jason is telling right thing also, he's the best person also, memory program useful also, I'll still not come. Then what should I tell you? What should I call you? Tell me. What should I call you? And I'm giving you what? 19,000 worth. Okay, 497 worth, 99 worth course. I'm giving you 2,999. Whole family sit and learn as many times as you want. Okay, and I will be there hand holding you, and I will guarantee that you will definitely show a marked improvement. And when July, when the schools will open, college will open, and offices will come back to normalcy, life is going to be totally different. I'm telling you this. Okay, you are not prepared. Watching Netflix, Amazon Prime, playing PUBG is not going to take you ahead in life. Understand? Only when you are with people like me and many other people who can train you, who can update you, alright, that's what is going to hold you good, right? So I want you to be part of this workshop. All the boys and girls, without even blinking an eyelid, tell your mommy, daddy, I don't want shirt, I don't want your pant, I don't want your farmhouse. I want to attend this workshop. And all mummies tell, okay, your husband that yes, I want my kid to be part of this, and I also want to learn. Okay, I want to pursue this memory course as well. So you have to be part of this course. And then what? The link is already there with you right now. Okay, and then you can click the link and pay. Otherwise, you got these 3 numbers. Okay, and then remember, okay, these numbers, if you message them, they'll call you. And remember, the workshop is starting when? Is starting on 4th of June, day after tomorrow, evening 7 p.m. So don't eat my head. Morning, sir, where is my link? Link hum bhejega bhaiya. Don't you worry. I will send you link well before. It's my duty to ensure. So have a notebook with you, one pen with you, download the workbook, and then be ready at 7 p.m. on 4th. 7 days you are going to be with me. Note down these dates, okay, day after tomorrow. And you are going to complete the registration now, okay? Even before you get up and go to washroom, you will finish the payment and finish the registration and say, yes, I'm part of this course. Why I'm telling all this is that I already have got a lot of registration from the speed reading course already. And yesterday I did 2 webinars. And you wait little more, and I will not have any vacancy to take you also. Then your development progress will be hampered for under 15 days now. So you want to postpone your life now 20 days, 1 month more, because my workshops are always full. Jason's workshops always sought after. But I'm doing this webinar because every Indian should be aware. India, right? 1.4 billion human capital rich. But brains are there, but not working. Don't know how to make use of it. I'm doing that wonderful work which will help your studies. Okay, easy for you. Your job easy for you. Whether you are a mother, father, teacher. Okay, I'll help you to do this. Okay, whether you're a professional adult, anyone for that matter. Okay, now my question is, right now, before this, and I got my colleague Mr. Sunil. He would like to show me some of your questions. Okay, in the chat box, some of you have typed some questions. Okay, I want to see what questions you have typed. I want to check. Okay, can you bring some questions? Okay, I want to see if there are any questions that are worth for me to answer. Some of you are busy typing. Okay, in the chat box, so many things you have been typing. Okay, right. Let me just see if you got something very interesting course for you. Okay, all of data births only. Okay, data births only are typing. Okay, people are telling I don't have any doubts, sir. Only thing is my mother only I have to convince. Right, your dad is not able to convince your mother for last 20 years. What will you convince, man? Okay, you tell mother I have to attend. Okay. Okay, I've seen a video, is amazing, and he's saying the truth. Is he the best person to teach memory skills? Sir, you are amazing. Thank you so much. Okay, I'm forgetting the words remembered. Okay, you need to have little more. Okay, investment you're asking, Abhigna. That's 2,999. Akshay Verma, you want to become Air Force officer? I will do one special, session for you. Once you develop memory, you will become Air Force officer, you will become Army officer, you will become scientist. How to memorize concept and formulas? I will do that better. I told you now how to study science subjects, definition, equation, formula. Before that, you learn this, then I will do. Okay, okay. Everybody is telling you are amazing, amazing. We'll join up. So I'm so proud, man. I'm so happy that I am actually living in your era where wonderful young children are so matured. Okay, now my appeal to all the parents who are watching, normally your kid says, ma, I want to go for a movie, ma, I want to go to KFC, ma, I want to go to Domino's, ma, I want ice cream. But your kid right now is typing such a wonderful message, Jaisima sir, you are amazing, Jaisima sir, I want to join the workshop. Okay, if your kid wants to learn, you as a mother, you as a father, if you really love them, can you ever say no to them? Right, then you register today, and then you will get that extra bonus of 3 masterclass videos, and then I will teach your children, and when they learn, you also learn, and you and I, we all shall grow together. Okay, and if you have got any more questions, you can call up those numbers. I look forward to seeing all of you on the 4th of June, Thursday evening, 7 p.m. Do remember to connect on the Zoom link by 6:30 to 6:45, and then okay, useful for 10th class exam, beta, any class exam, beta, 10th exam, 5th exam, any exam, beta, for anybody for that matter, beta. Anybody can use this memory technique. Okay, right? So thank you so much. I'm putting on the screen for you. Okay, and these are numbers, and payment link is already pasted there. Payment link is already pasted, copy. Otherwise, you can do net banking transfer or debit card, credit card, Google Pay, Phone Pay, or you can do a Paytm. You can call up these numbers. They'll send you the link, or link is already pasted there. Copy and press it, and then you click the link, and then you can make the payment. So see you on Thursday at 7 p.m. Until then, keep smiling and keep celebrating. I look forward to meeting all of you. Okay, thank you so much, and have a wonderful day. Tuesday, and any of your friends are there, tomorrow 11 o'clock we shall be again on this. Ask them to register for the webinar tomorrow 11 o'clock. Okay, I told you now, your scientist, doctor uncle, teacher madam, principal sir, correspondent madam, all of them, ask them, madam, one fellow is telling Jaisima sir, memory program, you please attend this webinar and tell should we attend the workshop or not. You send message tomorrow 11 o'clock. How to register? Go to my website, and then the home page only you will find the link, and then they can register, and we'll send the link to you. And if you want link, you message those numbers, they will forward the link to you tomorrow 11 o'clock. The last webinar we shall be there. Okay, so thank you so much. Alvida, bye bye.